In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see other freelancers and agency profiles on Upwork. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Upwork and press Enter. Click the official Upwork website in the results to go straight to the platform. This ensures you're on the legitimate site and avoids any lookalike pages. Once you're on Upwork, find the search bar at the top of the page. This is where you'll look up talent. If you see a small drop-down in the search bar, make sure it's set to search talent rather than jobs. Now enter the role or skill you're interested in. For example, type virtual assistant and hit enter. Using a clear keyword like this gives you a broad set of profiles you can explore. You'll land on a results page filled with profiles. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel of filters. These filters help you narrow down what you're seeing, so you don't have to scroll endlessly. You can adjust things like hourly rate, location, job success, English proficiency, and more. Take a moment to scan these options, because the right combination can surface exactly the kind of professionals you want to review. Next, look specifically for the filter labeled Talent Type. This is the key for viewing both independent freelancers and agencies. When you open Talent Type, you'll see options such as freelancers, agencies, and sometimes an option that includes both. Choose freelancers and agencies to see a combined list. This way, your results will include solo professionals alongside agency teams, giving you a fuller picture of what's available for your needs. From here, browse through the profiles. Clicking a result will show you more details such as an overview, skills, portfolio samples, hourly rate, total earnings, and client feedback. For agencies, you may also see information about the team and the services they specialize in, which can be useful if you're considering a multi-person setup. If you want to refine further, you can always return to the filters on the left and adjust them without losing your place. A quick tip: be specific with your keyword to improve your results. Adding terms like executive virtual assistant or e-commerce virtual assistant can surface profiles that more closely match your goals. Also keep in mind that some profile details may require signing in, but you can usually browse a lot of information without taking extra steps. That's it. You've learned how to find and view both freelancers and agency profiles on Upwork quickly and efficiently.